nagiging close sa mga santo, sa mga saints. You honor them by imitating their life and their action. If you die, they will pray for you na mapadali ang pagpasok mo sa langit. Kasi karamihan sa atin, pag namatay, mayroong natitirang mga temporal punishments, mga venial sins. Hindi pa purified, no? Karamihan sa atin. So, if you die, they will receive you in the everlasting dwellings. They will pray for you, they will intercede for you. Habang buhay ka, make friends with the saints. Make friends for yourselves now by honoring the saints of God by imitating their actions. Nabasa niyo ba itong parable na ito? Dati, nagtataka ako kung anong meaning ng parable na ito. Pero ngayon, when I read the Imitation of Christ, naging maliwanag sa akin ang meaning ng parable na ito. Ito basahin ko. There was a rich man